We should just
Kalanga,
That's all just like
ginger,
yeah, man. More to eat.
lemongrass,
That's all like
lime leaves,
You look.
hot pepper.
Oh, it's just water in there. Somebody spilled.
Oh no, he know how to make. This is ปลาแดก make ปลาแดกเครื่อง the herb ปลาแดก sauce แป้งนัว little bit only and a little bit sugar to make a taste ปลาแดกเครื่อง anchovy herb sauce all the herb in here dip with the rice sticky rice that's how you eat dip with sticky rice see that is delicious